What if I tell you that you can start making at least $45 a day online using only your phone and free AI tools, even if you have no skills right now? This is CashMintAI. Welcome back if you have been here before, and if you are new, you are in the right place today. I will guide you step by step on real ways you can make money online. No laptop needed, no paid ads, no special experience. You only need your smartphone, a simple internet connection, and free AI tools like Chatgpt to help you with the work. The first way is to offer simple writing services, because many people need short texts like captions, product descriptions, and blog posts. You can go on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups to look for people who need these services every single day. Copy their request, paste them into Chatgpt, get the answer, do small edits, and send them back to them with your name. If you charge $5 per job and do 9 jobs in a day, that is already $45 without leaving your home. Another way is to create social media posts for small businesses in your area, like shops, salons, and restaurants. Most of them post very little because they are busy running the shop, so you can help them stay active online. Offer to create 10 posts for them for a small fee and use Chatgpt to write captions, hashtags, and image ideas. You can take photos with your phone or use free pictures, then send everything neatly to the business owner.